Yo, what's going on, everybody? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Erik, and here with the investment channel, guys. I am sorry about the mess. I just kind of finished working. I'm actually not even done. So yeah, this is my work computer connected to my screen. So this is why the background's a little bit different. But let me go right into it. So today, Foresight announced an amazing news. Obviously, the market was kind of crazy because of the Feds were meeting at around 2 p.m., which it was the meeting actually came out pretty good. A lot of good news. They're not really thinking about any jagging up any rates or anything like that. Inflation will happen, but they don't think it's going to be too crazy. It's Everything looks like it's under control on the surface. Even I do mortgages, so even I saw a dip in the mortgage rates, which is really good. But yeah, that's not what we're talking about right now. We're not talking about the economy. We're talking about foresight. And I'm sorry that I'm doing this real quick because, well, gotta go to sleep in a second. But Foresight signs first commercial agreement with Saver One to integrate and commercialize iNet Protect. We know that this was coming, guys. And we didn't see as much as a reaction today on the stock price, but we're still up a lot. We're up like 7%. At one point, we were like up 2% when everybody else, I saw plenty of stocks were down like 50%, 15% plus. So you're probably asking, who the hell is Saver One? Well, they're also a Israeli company. Okay, so Saver One is a technology company that offers a driver distraction prevention system, limiting the use of any mobile phones in the driver's vicinity. Okay, so that's pretty good. So kind of like in the same ram of things as the as iNet, but just like merging, both of those technologies is gonna become a way better product. And also, I'm not gonna read everything here on the the press release, but it's really good news. Okay, so you could find it in their website, meaning that we're getting closer and closer to actually start producing revenue. Another thing that I want to point out the in the press release, they also said that they can also bring Saver One to a more Japanese car manufacturers. So more than one, just not just like one, more than one. So that's pretty good. Also, one thing that I did want to tell you real quick is that I remember the last video I was like, hey guys, so I'm gonna start doing cover calls with Foresight. Hey guys, let me tell you something. I started doing it and it's amazing. So let me show you something. So right now, Foresight sitting at $7.81, which is just amazing. It looks like right there in the corner, we could see that. I feel like that was the reversal point. Well, let's see how the market does, because if it doesn't sustain that, then we can start seeing a downtrend. I don't have the graph up here right now, so I'm not gonna go into a lot of details and breaking down all the charts, but it's looking pretty good. If that bounce it's real, then we will gonna go back into the eights and going now looking for the nines. So that's really good. So right now you can see that I'm sitting just Robinhood because I have more shares somewhere else. I have about 6,700 shares, market value of about like $52,000 and I'm up about 40,000 on it. And right now you can see that I sold 66 contracts. Guys, one thing about selling cover calls is that I'm the one writing contracts, so I'm literally the I anyone that's buying this contract is basically like playing by my rule. Okay, so what I did, 66 contracts at a strike price of $22.50, expiration date of May 21st. I collected about $4,600 in premium. Let me see if I can show you real quick. I'll show more. You could see right here. So 2,300 plus 2,145. So that's about what 4,455 dollars plus the 1,750 right here, $100 that I collected. But I sold. I took back those 100 shares and I made a profit of $25. So this is the thing though. I can take control. So right now I kind of don't have controls of my 6,600 shares. Okay. Now if they were to get exercised, okay, I would have to sell all my shares for $22.50, which I don't think people would do that unless Foresight before May 21st, which would put us at a almost a $1.5 billion market cap, hits that price. And also we got to see that call options after that 45 days or so, it starts decreasing in value so much faster. Okay. So right now, let's say if I wanted to take back control of my 6,600 shares, I would have to pay 2,970. Keep in mind, I sold it literally for $4,500. So I would still profit about $1,485 right now and have control of all my shares. Obviously, I'm not going to do that right now. Okay, that's not the idea. So think about it this way. It cost me about 12,000, so 12,000 or $13,000 to have the 6,700 shares right now with Foresight, right? Uh, Minus that $4,400, which I already it's already in my pocket. I didn't even sell any shares, but it's already in my pocket. So think about it. Now you're bringing my cost basis all the way down. So if I'm not mistaken, now instead of on paper, it looks like my average cost is $1.70, but that's not it. Because right now, in reality, it only cost me about $1.05 or so, $1.10. I can't remember the math. I'm not gonna do it right now. I just don't have time to do everything right now. But so basically, guys, if I do this a couple more times and it works out fine, let's say if Foresight just keeps going up steadily and not like just jumping up and dumping and jumping and dumping, I could literally own all my 8,000 shares for free. If I do this one, like I could have done this to August, okay? If I done this to August, I would have literally owned all my 8,000 plus shares for free, which is just insane. So this is the power of cover calls, because again, I am in control. I am the one writing the call options. Okay, so yeah, and you might be there got to be some risks. Yeah, I mean the risk is the stock got to go all the way down to $1.70 for me to even start losing money. Okay, on that, and also if it goes up so quickly and it goes to like $22.50 or so, and it gets exercised, then oh well, I'll lose my shares. But then I just bought something at $1.70 and I sold it at $22.50. Now I'm profiting hundreds and thousands of dollars, not hundreds, but just thousands of dollars. But guys, yeah, that's just forget about Yuuuur. This is what it is. Free stock. This is how you do it. Obviously, cover calls do it require a lot of capital upfront, but in this case, like think about it. I bought it cheaper, and then with the increase, now it is a substantial amount of money, and I'm doing this cover calls, and I'm literally, if I do it right, if I play it right, I could literally profit every month, and it will get taxed as an ordinary income. So you do have to keep that in mind, obviously. But I could literally start profiting anywhere between, I say, $1,500 to $5,000 a month if I do this right. Okay, but guys, that's pretty much it. Great news for Foresight. I see this company is gonna keep growing. This is the reason why I'm bullish on it. I just don't think it's by May. I don't think it's gonna get to 2250. I hope it doesn't, because I'm gonna lose all my shares. But I mean, we'd have to be at 1.5 billion, and that's like contracts and revenue streams confirmed and stuff. I mean, it could happen, but well, that's the risk I'm taking, which is, I guess, being forced to profit about $160,000 or so. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for everybody that watches my videos and subscribe and comments. And guys, I wish I could do this more details right now, but if you want to know more about cover calls, just let me know, okay? And then I'll go over everything, okay? So yeah, see you soon. Bye.